Hello guys, today we are going to make this model in Creo. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, we need to make a sketch. Select Sketch command and then select Right Plane. Draw a circle at origin with diameter 200. Draw a center line and trim the line segments as shown. Now close the sketch with Line command. Let's make semisphere by using Revolve command. Now make another sketch as shown. Select the right plane and click on Sketch command. Draw a circle as shown with diameter 200. Now by using Fill command, make the surface using this sketch. Make a new surface by using Offset command. Select the Offset command and then select the surface which we have created. Enter the offset value 20. Now hide this surface for a time being. Now let's remove the material. By using Thicken command, select the surface. Remove the material in Symmetrical by value 10. Let's unhide the surface. Select the Extrude command and make sketch on this surface as shown. Project the edge of the surface. Select the right direction of surface and click OK. Now let's merge the surfaces. Select the Merge command by holding Ctrl key, select both surfaces and click OK. Let's make mirror of these merged surface by right plane. We will be using these surface to remove the material. To remove material, use Solidify command as shown. Our shape is coming out, now we need make hole in it. Now select the top plane and click on Extrude command. Now create two circle as shown with diameter of 25. Let's remove the material from another side. Select right plane, select Extrude command. Let's make circle again as shown to cut the material. Now our shape is ready, let's change the color. Let's learn how to use section view in Creo. Go to View tab, select Section command. Now select the plane from where you want to cut. Let's select front plane. With this flip direction option, you can change the direction of section. Now section view is created.